YouTube. Hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish back with another one. If y'all
hold on, man, y'all lucky I rock with y'all, bro, because I had to pause it because I look crazy, bro. I ain't got no haircut, bro. Now y'all see why I'm always wearing my do-rag when I ain't got no haircut, because bro, I look wild. Like this is crazy. But anyway, let's get back into the video, bro.
Watch my last vlog. Y'all know I ended my night at this Planet Fitness, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like regenerated, refreshed, and everything. I actually slept in today. I was supposed to drop this trailer at 8 o'clock, but I didn't have to drop it at 8 o'clock on the dot. So I still got the other load to pick up, which I got more than enough time to pick up that next load and be back at the shipper in time and everything, because I'm probably only getting one load today. So yeah, I really ain't tripping, because I was yesterday because of my time management, but today I'm not tripping because I feel well rested. Like, I feel so much better, bro. Like, I slept in pretty good. I went to sleep at like, I want to say 10 or 9, almost, well, really 10. I went to sleep at like 10, and I wound up staying asleep until like 4 o'clock. I woke up at 4 o'clock. I checked my clock to see what time it was, and I went right back to sleep, and I ain't wake back up until like 7 o'clock because my alarms was going off. And I just kept snoozing my alarms until like 7:45 or 7:35, whatever. Then I started my pre-trip, and then now I'm ready to roll. It's already 8 o'clock. They say I get there at 8:10. I'm only 10 minutes away, so I'm about to head there now. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it.
All right, man, I'm gonna just talk to y'all while I'm backing. So really quick, if you're new to my channel or you already subscribed to my channel, make sure you turn on the notifications so you won't miss an upload. And also lately I have been going live like at these shippers while I'm backing and stuff, so y'all can see me back live instead of me on videos, because in these videos I pretty much chop my backing up down. Like, I chop it down into pieces because sometimes it'd be a little too long while I'm backing, so I chop it down and I speed it up. Like right now, this video is sped up. If I did not speed this video up, it would have been at least like 6 minutes long of me just backing. But yeah, make sure y'all turn on those notifications. And then also, I want to know, like, are y'all enjoying these vlogs right here? Because I know it might look a little boring and everything. Like, I personally feel that my vlogs now have got way more boring since I'm not OTR no more, because all I'm doing in these vlogs is just backing, literally. I'm not giving y'all no road footage in them, because I feel like the road footage is pointless, especially if I'm doing the same route over and over and over. I just feel like it's just pointless. So I wanted to get y'all feedback on that. And then I also wanted to know, like, what made you all subscribe to me and what's keeping y'all from unsubscribing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be able to know my supporters better. I want to be able to connect with y'all on a different level, so I know what y'all like in my videos, what y'all don't like. Like, I just want my videos to feel at home. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want y'all to be able to watch my videos and actually enjoy the content and just feel inspired. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see, like, all my vlogs, like, I want all my vlogs to be authentic, which they have been, and I pride myself in that, because I don't want to feel like I'm just uploading anything. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know, bro, it's just I'm really just at a loss of words right now. Because, like, y'all know one of my goals on YouTube for the end of this year is to hit 100K. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a really hard journey to get there, but I know I can get there if I have a strong enough support base that's gonna rock with me to the end. You know what I'm saying? And like I told y'all in the beginning of my trucking series, this channel that I'm uploading on was not made for just trucking. Like, I am very versatile with my content. I don't just do trucking. Like, I do a whole bunch of stuff. If y'all go on my channel, y'all can see, like, before I started posting trucking, I did military content. I did like public vlogs, interacting with the public. I did a whole bunch of coding videos. Like, it's a whole bunch of different other videos that I can do on my channel. And I just want y'all, like, I don't want y'all to be so caught up on just my trucking videos. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get into the rest of this vlog. I hope y'all enjoy. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the rest of the video.
All right, y'all. So y'all seen? I just backed my trailer at the dock. It was kind of hard, a little weird, crazy little angle because of how I positioned myself. I didn't position myself right, but I still got in there. But that's besides the point. It's gonna be a quick and easy day today. My only load is this load right here. So I just I dropped that trailer off, and then I had to leave off the shipper and pull back in and type in my new bills so I can get a new load. And then this load is going to Louisiana, and that'll be my only load for today. So once I'm done getting this load here, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do, because I'm looking to be done right at 12, and I don't want to sit in my truck all day long just for the next morning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna park at the gym or something, or find something productive to do. I might go bowling or something, because y'all know bowling is like my hobby. I love going bowling. So, or I might go to the movies. It just depends, because I want to see that Superman movie. So I don't know. It just depends on how today goes. But I do know tonight I want to be in my truck at 6 or 7, try to get some sleep, and we can be back at it again tomorrow. But yeah, right now I'm currently getting loaded. So when we done getting loaded, I'm gonna let y'all know, and then we gonna hit the highway. But yeah, man, that's what we got going for today. All right, man. So I had to double back and look at my load. My load actually does not deliver until tomorrow morning, and I'm in Baytown, which is like 30 minutes from the terminal. So I'm gonna just go to the terminal, go home, and chill at home for a little bit, and then leave home right around 5, so that I can be back here in Louisiana by 7 o'clock, so I can get so I can get a fresh clock back, because I do not want to have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow and drive from home to the terminal, then from the terminal all the way to Louisiana. It's just too much. And then I'm gonna be tired, and then I'm gonna be draining a lot of my clock. So we just gonna go back home now, which is good, because I can actually take care of stuff that I want to do. Like I can go and wash clothes and some stuff. I need to wash clothes, and then we could be back here at that truck stop or whatever for the night. So it might be a pretty actually decent vlog today. Man, y'all stay tuned. All right, man. Quick question. Since I'm at the terminal, if I go on off duty for 2 hours, do my clock stop after 2 hours, or is that only in sleeper? Because I'm not sure. I went on ahead and I got a sleeper berth just in case, because I'm still gonna come back here, and I plan to head back to Louisiana in town, so I can get a fresh clock. But yeah, y'all let me know if my clock will still stop if I'm at off duty, because I'm not sure. I can't remember if I did that before and my clock stopped or not. But let me load my clothes and stuff inside my vehicle over there, so I can go home and wash my clothes, and then we're gonna figure something out to do while we at home. And yeah, man. Got this one over here laying down, and this one right here bad, bro. He don't listen to nothing, but he finally laying down. Just got home, and I'm about to edit my vlog today to post. So edit my vlog that I recorded yesterday to upload today, and then there's some other stuff I gotta do too. But yeah, that's what we got for today. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing crazy or anything. I might just relax, because I still gotta go back on the road. I don't want to tire myself out, because I still gotta drive 2 hours back to Louisiana for the night. So yeah, we just chilling here for a bit, washing my clothes, and then we hit the road. So I will see y'all in a couple of minutes, or whenever I get ready to do something. Who knows? Just know I'll see y'all later. All right, man. I'm back in my truck. I'm not gonna lie. When I was at home, I literally I laid down and I slept for like 2 hours or something. So I got a little rest, and then I got some food, and now I'm back inside my truck. And say I'm gonna get there at 8:10, which I'm not really tripping about, because I still gotta do a full 10 hour. So I'm gonna get there at that time, and then that means I'm gonna have to start my day at like 6:15 or something tomorrow, unless I use my PC or something, so that I can make up time for lost time that I'm about to lose. So yeah, enough of all this yapping and talking. I'm gonna let y'all know when I make it to that the truck stop that I normally stop at. And yeah, about to hit the road. All right, man. As y'all can see, I'm inside my truck. I finally made it to the truck stop. I took a shower and everything. I'm getting ready to lay down right now. I'm currently watching my friends and everything play Fortnite. As y'all can see, they playing Fortnite. So yeah, I'm just in here watching them do that. I'm about to lay down, and I really probably should edit the video, because if y'all, I'm not sure if y'all noticing, but all my videos have been like late midday vlogs instead of it being like how I normally used to post. Like, I used to post normally around like about 3 o'clock. Y'all can expect the video, but now it's looking like 6, 7 o'clock, and that's because I haven't been having time to edit and stuff, and I'd be too tired to edit. So I'm gonna try and work on that. But anyway, without that being said, dang, why can't I talk? With that being said, I'm about to go ahead and lay down. I will catch y'all in the morning. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Your boy Fish out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast. We've been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out-rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keep bending flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be cheating, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switch up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pen like a sword. When it's time to be used, I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' fetch my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters, cause Nova my clan. I get so high, I don't know where to land. If you think you better, you don't stand a chance. They don't get bigger pictures, they minds can't expand. Only fear God in me, that despise who I am.